On this episode of Roaming with the Yazzies, we're going to install some mud flaps for towing our RV. Stay tuned. All right, so here we go. We got some mud flaps that we're going to put on the truck. All right, hitch mounted mud flaps for towing. Overall, that went pretty good. It does have a little bit of a wobble, a play to it. My biggest thing was I wanted those in place because just driving it the other day from the RV repair place home, I got the entire front end of the trailer was pretty trashed just by some loose leaves and crap on the ground. Now that it's fall, probably be better to have this during the fall. So we have a trip coming up. We're going to see how it does, and I'll give you another review if I change my mind on it. I know this one is a little bit different than my other videos as far as showing travel destinations, stuff like that, but I figured this would be a good addition to anybody that's looking to do any towing with a trailer of any sort to try to help keep any rock chips and dirt and grime from flipping up onto your trailer. So if you like what we did, please smash the like button, leave a comment down below if you'd like to see any other trailer or transport vehicle upgrades or accessories we can buy and review. Thanks again.